Hello, my dear audience. Today, I'd like to introduce you a beautiful flower. Really, it is beautiful. Okay, look, that has bloomed on my plant. So, do you know what is the English name of this flower? Okay, in English, it is called Arabian jasmine. Arabian. Arabian, Jasmine. Arabian jasmine. And in Bangla, we call it belly full. It is white in color, look, and it has a beautiful fragrance. Cause at night when I come outside of the house, I can enjoy its sweet fragrance. And it is commonly found in summer season. Cause in summer it is bloomed in my country or in village, and yeah, I like it because of its fragrance, and it is looks like amazing to me. That's why I like it. And yeah, if you like this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel.